Do you know that the sounds of English language are called phonemes? English has about 44 phonemes. So, what is a phoneme? A phoneme is the smallest unit of a sound in language that can change the meaning of a word. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound in language that can change the meaning of a word. That is what a phoneme is. So now let's look at some of these examples. Bits versus pits. Bats versus facts. Pets versus bets. Rats versus cats. Now, why do we need to learn the sounds of English language? It's very, very important for us to learn the sounds of English language. Number one, it improves pronunciation and speaking fluency. The importance of English language, the importance of learning the sounds of English language is that it improves pronunciation and speaking fluency. It helps learners understand that spelling is not always the same as pronunciation. It helps learners to understand that spelling is not all the same with pronunciation. It also builds confidence in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Learning the sounds of English language also build what? Confidence in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So the sounds of English language is very, very important. It helps us to what? To pronounce and speak fluently. It helps us to pronounce and speak fluently. So the sounds of English language cannot be overemphasized. It's very important for us to learn the sounds of English language. Now that we know that we have about 44 sounds in English, we are going to be looking at the breakdown of that sounds in our next video. Thank you.